How to add Tidio to website. Follow the instructions. Go to tidio.com and create a free account using your email, then choose your website platform during setup. From the Tidio dashboard, click Settings Channels Live Chat Installation to get your widget code. Copy the provided JavaScript code snippet that is uniquely generated for your Tidio Live Chat widget. Open your website's HTML and paste the code just before the closing less than, body greater than tag on every site page. Save your HTML changes and publish or update your website to reflect the new Tidio chat widget code. Reload your site to check if the chat widget appears. Clear your browser cache if it does not show up. Go back to Tidio and customize the chat icon, greeting message, chatbot responses, and widget behavior. Download the Tidio mobile or desktop app to manage live chats and get instant customer messages on the go. Thank you for watching.